In this video, we will go over the order placed workflow trigger. So this trigger can be used when an order is placed on your Shopify store, and you can send follow-up actions after that. So to get started, we'll click on Add New Workflow Trigger, and I'm going to go ahead and type in order, and you'll see order placed. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Here you can change the name of your workflow, so however you'd like to personalize this, you can do so there. And then you can add filters if you'd like to narrow down your workflow trigger. So if you click on here, you can select cart value, and then you can select a operator here, so equals to, greater than, is empty, less than, any of these options. So I'm going to go ahead and click on greater than. And then here you can type in a dollar amount for your cart value. So let's say 150. So for this workflow trigger, anytime an order is placed on Shopify and the cart value is greater than $150, then my workflow will trigger. So once you have that in there how you would like it, make sure you click on Save Trigger. And then just make sure that you're saving your workflow by clicking on this blue button up here in the top right corner.